Okay, I'll see you later.
Yeah, okay.
You take care now.
I'll see you later. Give me a call.
Hey. It's not what it looks like.
Okay.
It's not like that. We talk. So do us all a favor and keep quiet.
Sure. But Phil, and I don't mean to take advantage, but maybe I need help one time. Maybe I can give you a call.
What do you mean?
I mean, I need to find something out about someone. Maybe you can help.
Are you fucking blackmailing me?
No! I'm asking for a favor. Why do you think I put my neck on the line for you? Because I need help with something.
You know, since you don't look like you're full of crap, how could I say no? Enough of this chit-chat. Come on, let's go.
We're heading back.
Yo, what's going on, everybody? Kazam says it here, bringing back some more Grand Theft Auto 4 main story missions gameplay. This is the mission called To Live and Die in Alderney. Now, this is a very interesting mission. Lots of action, this and that. So the first destination you need to head to is over to this mansion over here.
There you are.
Frankie, you've been keeping your eyes open out here. You seen anyone snooping around?
I ain't seen a soul, boss. It's a ghost house. I got the horse loaded into 2 cars for you.
I don't know, this don't feel right. Shit, Frankie, you dumb fuck! The feds have been watching us all along. Nico, get in that car and follow me.
Okay, there you go. So, of course, the cops are here. There's a trap. And of course, now you just have to follow Phil Bell. Now, you do have to follow him quite closely. Because if you lose sight of him, that's it. And then you will fail the mission, really. So you've got to keep close to him. Try to use your drive-by skills to take out any cops that was in the way. And look over here.
Are you fucking blind? You don't know there's the 50 feds watching these cars. I thought Phil was just paranoid.
Give me a break, man. I got a lot on my mind, you know? I didn't have much time to scope this out. My mom's kinda sick. I've been looking after her. And my sister? I've been putting her through college. What happened? I think I blacked out.
Shut up! These feds are all over me.
I'm sorry, man. It's just, I only got married the other day. God, I love that kid. You wanna see a picture?
I don't want to see a fucking picture. I'm trying to get us out of this situation. Maybe then you can spend time with your wife instead of some jailhouse bitch.
Get me close to the boss, and I'll take out that Fed car. Shit! I think we're losing him.
No, we're not losing him. Just make sure you look onto the minimap so you can see where Phil Bell is going. Okay, so now, of course, you can see which track is going. Just try to keep close. Don't try to drive like I'm doing. Pretty bad at driving for some reason. Okay, there you go. So just keep going, keep close. Now, of course, you will end up to this destination where you will probably have a shootout, but it doesn't matter. So just keep close. That's all there is to this mission. There will be cops chasing behind you, and these in-game design blockades. You know, like coach that you just saw that just went past. Those are the in-game designs. And these coaches right here, so you just got to keep close, and yeah, so let it follow. Look at that truck. That's designs, and damn it,
fucking cops.
so try to go, and of course try to shoot at any cars if you get in the way. Of course, your friend on the right hand side will be shooting as well. And yeah, this is the little area that you could always miss. If you didn't know where you're going, you could always miss here. And watch out for those forklifts in game design as well.
Nico, they're all over us. We're ditching the cars and going on foot. Park up behind me when I stop.
All right.
Okay, here you go. So Phil calls you for the plan. And just make sure you head over to him quickly as possible. Even though he's still under 3 stars. Need to head over to the destination quick. Of course he stops right there. Head over here. Oh yeah.
Frankie, Nico, grab the stuff from the trunk and follow me. I got a van we could use. More fucking bacon shit!
Okay, there you go. So now this is the shootout. Of course, change the plans. Change to another vehicle. So just make sure you follow Phil. And just make sure he's well protected. Don't kill him by accident. Of course he'll be shooting as well. If you've got RPG right now, it'd be such a great time to use it. Oh yeah. Of course they're staying here because more cops are going here, so make sure you kill these guys. And then you can just move on. And then you guys will automatically progress on really. Wait. Trying to use my pistol here, save some ammo. Of course I getting a bit of accuracy as well. Knockout. Escape the van. Of course this is not the van, I got it to the wrong one. It's to the yellow. To the yellow blip. Head over, follow it. The van just across the street here.
Nico, that's the van. We gotta get back to the pizza place. We got more company.
Okay, so get to the van. Just make sure you pick them up while you're there. And now all you have to do, just head over to the pizza place by West Dyke. And of course there will be choppers following you. So now all you have to do is just lose your wanted level. And then you could just head over to the destination where you need to go. Okay? So once you're done with that, just head over to this destination and you're completed with this mission.
Nice driving, Nico. We're gonna be able to shift this H for a lot of money. Might just keep the Beggarino family's head above water. See you around.
Okay, there you go, mission passed. And you grab yourself a cool $12,000. And that is it. I'm Sensei, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'm out. Peace.